Hey everyone, it's Annie. I'm just here today to show you my recent haul at a local Goodwill store, and I'm going to get right into it. So first of all, there was this book called Family Fare Food Management and Recipes. It cost 49 cents at the Goodwill, and the date on it is 1955, first issued in 1950 and then slightly revised in 1955. And it has, it's actually, this is something that my grandmother might have had in her kitchen. Old recipes that are in here. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I do have some 3-ring and 5-ring binders, the Good Housekeeping things that I'm going to eventually make into a junk journal. And I can use pages from this in there. So then I can also use pages from this. Excuse me. Good Housekeeping cookbook, which is in really good condition. You can see I paid $1.99 for that. And it's probably a 2-inch spine. I think this will make a good journal as well once I take the pages out. So, let's see. I saw a date on this. Remember what it was. 1963. And it's got, fun black and white pictures, color pictures. You know what's in here. So there's that. And then I got some music that I'm very excited about. So there's this one that was, is this in frame? 99 cents for Beethoven Variation 2. And it's about 1/4 of an inch, maybe. And it's got lots and lots of notes, no words. And I think, is this the one that's actually in German? I mean, obviously the notes are in whatever language, but yes, this whole thing is, I think that's German. Ich habe ein klein, what's your Nur? Wow, I'm sure I said that terribly, but my husband is German and he took German he is of German descent. He's not German, but he took some German and he taught me to count in German. Anyway, so there's that, which is very exciting. And then there's Greg, Lyrical Pieces. This also has no words in it. And is this in frame? 99 cents. So this is very, very thin. Very thin. So, it's not, it's just, it says Lyrical Pieces, but, oh, okay, Opus 12, 38, 43, 47, 54, and 68. And is there a date on this one? I'm not seeing it, so I don't know. But it's in really good condition. It's only got like 10 pages in it. Oh, copyright 1919. That's nice. And even the covers are great for, I would peel that off. But yeah, that's exciting. And then there's Mendelssohn, Songs Without Words for the piano. This also was 99 cents, which was very exciting. And you can see this one is about maybe 1/2 inch. Yeah, 1/2 inch. And it's, again, whoever had these books, probably the same person, had all of them. But it's in really good condition. And lots and lots of notes, no words, no markings in it. So, oops. This is copyright 1915. I can't imagine this book was printed in 1915. I just can't imagine that it's that old. Anyway, there's that. And then this one, also 99 cents, is Mozart 19 Sonatas for piano. By the way, piano is my favorite instrument. This one is like an inch. It's literally an inch. So, again, in the same condition as the other books. And It just got, I actually, when I saw these on the shelf, I sucked my breath in, and if anybody had been around, you know, they would have thought something was wrong. But I was so surprised to see these books and so happy. Copyright 1918 and renewed 1945. So there's that. Okay, so this is a great buy, great find. I'm very excited. Now this is where my question comes in. I found this also at the Goodwill. Let's see, can you see that? It was $1.99 for this box of Quality Park Business Papers, Duo Manifold #1 Sulfite, 1,000 sheets of white paper, and the box is almost full. Where's my marker? Almost full. I mean, it's like right up to the top. But my question is, what can I use this paper for? I'll come back to that in a second. I can certainly use it in a signature, certainly. But it's very thin. It's not going to take a lot of, you know, folding or wear and tear, you know, like even regular copy paper would or printer paper would. But so I really want to know what you all would do with this thin paper. And so much of it, I figured for $2, right? $2, I couldn't really go wrong. I mean, I could put it in a signature. I could make envelopes out of it. It's kind of transparent, but not really. One side is matte, and the other side is shiny. Can you see that? So I'm just not sure. So what I did was I took 3 pens, just random pens. I have a lot of pens, and I just took 3 randomly. So one is a Sharpie, one is a Precise V5, and the other is a Pitt pen by Faber-Castell, fine point. And I wrote on both sides. And surprisingly, I was able to write on both sides. So the matte side, I was sure there would be no problem. But the shiny side even took the ink. So I guess I could print things on this. Yeah, maybe I could print digitals. So I'll give that a try too. Anyway, I would love to hear your thoughts on what I can use this paper for, since it's so thin. It's not really onion skin paper. It's just, and I have no idea what a business would use this for even, or what a business did use it for years ago. Because I bet it's, you know, old like onion skin. Anyway, that's my question. What would you use this paper for? So I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for helping me out, and thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you are so inclined. And I hope to see you again. Okay, bye.